So today I'm going to share some tips and tricks for tracking your visa application to Germany from India. And the first point is always use Microsoft Edge. Do not use Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, all those things because it won't work every time. So from my experience, always use Microsoft Edge. And yeah, you can type track VFS application Germany. The second point you have to consider is like there will be two links. You can most of the people directly go from here, track your application online tracking. That is VFS Global Services Germany.com. From there, so you can see it would be something like this. Then you will type your reference number, last name, but it's wrong. You don't have to go to this link. Make sure you go to this one where this IND India is mentioned and open that particular link, and there you can see track your visa application status online. So you have to click that particular one, and now you can see the difference between both these sites. I mean, here you can see VFS Global Services Germany.com, and here you see visa tracking.vfsglobal.com. And here you have to type your reference number. That's the third point. Always make sure you type each and every letters or numbers or slashes in the reference number. Do not use copy paste, it won't work. So type everything. I'm giving an example, and also make sure your caps lock is on, and don't use any shift and all for easiness. So first turn the caps lock on and type each and everything. So yeah, you might feel like copy pasting, but no, it won't work. And then give your last name, and it also has to be typed each and everything. And finally captcha, then click submit. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, always consider these points for tracking your visa application. Hope it will help. If you have any doubts or something questions, you can post it in comments. I'll reply. Thanks for watching.